Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPOL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create the planning process narrative for academic programs. As part of the overall assessment plan, program assessment coordinators need to create a narrative that summarizes the program's annual planning process. The narrative should include information about the participants in the planning process, the year when the outcome was last assessed, a brief explanation of how the program developed its assessment plan, and the plans to collect and review the findings or results. Let's go ahead and create the planning process narrative in SPOL. From the SPOL homepage, make sure you selected the correct academic year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. You should be redirected to the All Assessments by Program page. Then, click on the program name for which you want to create the annual planning process narrative. For this example, we will use the Underwater Basket Weaving Dummy program. Once redirected to the Program Details page, click the Reviews tab. Next, click the UAC Annual Program Review lane. Then, select the Program-Assessment Plan lane. Once the response window pane appears, click the Edit orange button. Type in your planning process narrative in the text editor. Feel free to format your narrative as you deem fit. Finally, click Save. And there you have it. You just created your planning process narrative. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about Outcomes Assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!